Let's take the trash.
I get.
All right. Let's go. Let's take the trash.
Oh, I go put it in the garage.
All right, let's go put it in the garage. You go down the hallway. Kyle, go get your brother. We're taking the trash. There. Let's do the trash. Come on, Corey. Kyle, you don't want to put your bob down there. Come here, Corey. Come get the trash. Trash. There you go. Trash. Kyle, do you want to press the green button? Kyle, come press the green button. Come press the green button.
I can't be fun. I can't be fun. I can't be fun. I can't be fun. Ouch you. How do you climbing this?
All right, let's go back to our house. Go get Kyle.
Coming on the way.
All right, let's go get Kyle.
Come on. Wait, Mom. Wait. I just went to Mama's house. I heard Mama soup. I heard Mama soup. I heard Mama soup, Dad. I heard Mama soup.
Sorry, you guys